This might be pretty familiar territory. Captain Dan standing on a Sirena. Now this might be the hull of the 58, which I've done multiple videos on, driven a million times on the Great Lakes, but let me tell you why this new Sirena 60 I think is the perfect marriage of the Sirena 48, Sirena 68, and as a new model, other than just the running surface on the bottom of the water, everything upstairs is new and definitely going to make some big waves. Let me walk you through it. Let me show you why. All right, as always happens every year when Sirena brings out a new model, the docks are packed. So I got to come to the Flybridge to get out of the way so I can talk for a minute and tell you a little bit about this. So I mentioned earlier, I think this is the perfect marriage of the Sirena 68 and the Sirena 48. The hull is the same as the original 58. It was the original boat. They built 88 of them from new, and it is hands down the #1 seller. But the 68 and the 48 have some really nice features that they've now turned into or included in the Sirena 60. So let me walk you through, let me show you some of the features that I think really make this Sirena 60, the new model, completely stand out. So here we go. I'm going to try to work around noise and the guests on the dock. So here we go. So we're going to start here at the bow of the Sirena 60, and as I mentioned earlier, the Sirena 68 and the Sirena 48 I think have come together and given some of their best DNA to the new Sirena 60. For example, these very large, beautiful windows in the Sirena 48 that makes it so nice and spacious on the inside can now be seen on the Sirena 60. We'll go in, when we go inside, I'll show you what that feels like on the inside. Elevated, elongated, larger windows. Plus, you have now a larger sun pad at the bow. It looks very reminiscent of the Sirena 68 bow, where you have now this seat back that moves back or forward. You have seating now to sit here. Much larger couch at the bow, so you have much more seating for your guests and people up here at the bow. Plus, this whole seating area actually has gotten elevated a bit, so it's much taller, much kind of more raised and more comfortable out of the water. I feel like there's so many features that have come from the bigger boats or even the littler, but so many features are going into making the 60 what it is. And for example, we have now much larger side storage bins like the 78. And again, you'll hear how sturdy everything is on this boat. Much larger gunnels, even too thick, really wide, wider gunnels here. As I mentioned, the windows are much improved. A much higher window line, bigger, wider window line. Plus now you have a side door at the helm, which is a huge feature, I think. Again, I think a lot of this stuff is they've taken what really was a home run in other models and brought it into the 60. For example, one of my favorite little features, the side boarding docking situation right next to the helm, right next to the port side. Easy for docking, great view, and ability for the captain. This back couch area has now also gotten an improvement similar to a Sirena 78, as is this back area here. This is reminiscent of the 78. You've got, they reduced some of the space here and moved it backwards, this couch back, so now you have even bigger cockpit and more seating if there wasn't already enough space in the back of this cockpit. Bigger lockers here, similar to, again, the 68, 78, much larger. All right, we got to close off this door because it is loud construction out there. But like I said, in my opinion, there are a lot of these features from the 48 and the 68 are going into what this new 60 is. This design and the inside, for example, there's two color packages. There's Inspiration and Serenity. This is the kind of more grayed, kind of more modern look version, and then there's one that's a little more traditional oaky colors and combos. But this is just, again, much improved design. Actually, it looks kind of why maybe that's it got nominated for Best Interior Design at the Trophy Awards. That's apparently it's usually this weekend here. So again, much larger windows. Look at these windows, way bigger than what you're used to, and there's usually bulkheads that in the past. So this is a super improvement, I think. Much bigger windows here. Just more modern looks, I guess. I just like the inlays here. You've got a great feature, a little kind of a nook coffee bar area. Got some, it looks like little niches for glassware and whatnot. Tons of extra space too. So you've got a lot more cabinetry. This looks very, again, similar to what you saw on the 48, now on the 60. So great amount of space here. You could probably put a wine fridge in one of these. Actually, disregard, there's already one right there. TV will pop up out of here. But again, this is just a beautiful look, much bigger windows, new couch setup. Now you'll see, let me get down below here, you'll see these couches, they're not molded into the ground anymore, or to the deck. You can potentially customize this if you wanted. Obviously, you could pick your own fabrics, anything else, but this is improved. It is more modern. It is more kind of stepped up. I like this kind of curvature here. Just all around is very pretty. But removing the bulkheads that you've seen and the windows were narrower, this is a massive improvement. All right, so now getting to this helm, got definitely modernized, definitely more attractive look. And like I mentioned earlier, that's where it should be. That side door, right at the port side, right next to where I'm doing my docking. This is where it should be. I got my hand out the door, head out the door, got my hand on the throttles, whatever I need. This is where it's at. And you've got your Garmin screens here, your nav screens kind of rising up to meet you right at eye level. So I've got great visibility. It's almost like on the cars, the heads-up display right at your face. Great modernized dashboard here. Helm station, you got your AC vents and all this. Again, just improved, more sleek, more modern, better visibility all around here. So as always, what Sirena does well, I think, is great. You keep your switches, generators, all your other items that you need right next to the helm. It doesn't have to, you don't have to go far. It's right there, it's very comfortable, and just well placed. Heading down below, we're going to see 3 staterooms, we're going to see 3 heads, and we're going to, let's go aft. As we head to the primary, you've got, just like on the 48, we've got washer dryer combo unit right here. Great spot for it. We don't have to go to the crew quarters or anything else. It's really accessible. But now we're looking again, look at this modern look, modern design. It is a much cleaner look, and it's just very, very pretty. Huge porthole windows. Got that TV that we're used to from this 48, and just kind of a cleaner look. I like how they make the air vents, the returns are kind of carved out of this area, so you're not adding extra stuff that clutters the look in the space. Now, redesign here, the head has changed positions because now you have a much larger walk-in shower, and probably, geez Louise, that's like the biggest rain shower head. Might as well just make the whole ceiling rain shower head. But anyways, huge space in here, so it's a good redesign. Just working now with curves, it's just a lot nicer looking, cleaner, little area for you know, stuff there. But I do like this position change of the head in the master. Let's go forward. I can hear people walking around, and I got to get out of here before it gets too busy. Going to the bow, you have really nice. Actually, this is really good. I like this lighting on the side. It's great accent lighting. Again, with the plumb bow of the Sirena, we're able to push a lot more living space forward. So we have a lot of walk around space. We're not having to climb up multiple steps to get around the bed. Flat floor here, flat floor in the master as well, all the way around the bed. But I really like the accent, the lighting. Same situation here. We're not having extra stuff, any drawer pulls and cabinets, just carved out of the wood. So I think it just looks a lot cleaner. I like the extra textures here. Now we have leathers and playing with different color combos. It just looks nice. All right, walking into the VIP head, this is beautiful. It's really well designed, really well spaced out. Another massive rain shower, walk-in shower there. Just great amount of, great use of the space there. Good, proper VIP head. And now you have the 3rd stateroom, which can be designed in a few ways. You can have cabinetry here in the past. You can slide this to a larger bed, or just one nice twin room. You've got large hanging closets, great storage in here. I see. And you have a day head / private ensuite, and lots of space in here. So I hear other YouTubers around, so let's get moving. Let's walk up to the Flybridge now. This is much larger space there for obviously ice maker, fridge if you want it. Great storage in general. You've got good dual seats here for captain and co-captain. I love being port side here. You've got great view looking right down the side when you're docking. Just an improved helm, some good hold areas here if you're in some Sonat, which these boats I definitely can handle. Part of, again, the reason they kept the 58 running surface, because the 58 running surface is just a beast in waves and handles the waves very well. Good seating up here, and you've got a modernized galley setup upstairs. You've got good deep sink, cooktop, fridge, more storage, deep storage in there. Sirena 60, you'll see from the dock now. I love the port side door. I love the bigger windows, less bulkheads. A lot more space. I had to get off the boat because there's a billion people trying to get on already. So trying to make room for everybody. So the old adage, if it's not broke, don't fix it. And that's exactly what Sirena did here. The 58 hull has been a rock star and it continues to be so. They took the 68 and the 48, the improvements, and they turned it into the new 60. And this is going to be a home run. It's a great boat. The interior design is awesome. The sideboarding door is great. I love that. The clean new lines on the inside. The improvements on the outside. All around. Keep the right hull. It's a great hull. It rides well. I put it through some real snot and it performs. So thank you for joining me again from Cannes Yachting Fest at the Sirena booth. They're always doing good stuff. Appreciate you sticking around. If there's any other questions that you have, any other details that you would like to go over, shoot me a message in the comments. We'll talk soon. Cheers from Cannes, France.